Yeah. It's getting cold again. 18 degrees. Holy shit.
Yeah, I think that's the high for today up here. 18 or 19.
I did not dress for this weather. All right, so let's see here. How am I going to do this?
Oh, the feeling's back in my hands now.
So there's actually two different access points.
Yeah, I saw that.
And I think I might take the second one somewhere up here. Yeah, this is more like it. There we go. Woo! Oh, it's sandy.
Oh, you love sand.
I do not. Water! Bit of a ledge here. I'm going to stay to the right. All right, so we've got to turn left here.
Yeah, if we go to the right, that's that Hydroline Road. It cuts over to Arco Road.
Yeah, we'll take that one day, but we got to stay left here.
Okay, and that is a snowmobile trail there.
Yeah, totally is. I think this is the way we go. Right, your app's telling you you're on track, Jeff?
Yeah.
All right. Well, here's a hill climb, so get speed up. More hill climb. So here's a descent that I'm... So guys, set the pace that you want at the top of the hill so that you don't gain speed and have to slow down while you're descending. So I probably should have chose first gear. And I can't get it in there.
I think Ernie's caught up to you, so...
Yeah,
You should wait before, give me lots of space when we're...
I thought I did.
Well, the beauty of these communicators, if you're going to pass me, just go ahead and tell me which side you're passing me on.
I wouldn't do that. It'd hurt your itsy-bitsy little feelings.
I don't think that's... Well, I guess if you're able to slow down, then that's fine, right?
Yeah.
Climbing that would have been a different story, too.
It's a lot of sharp rocks on this. Okay, this is where it's going to go blue.
Nice.
Oh, boy. You all right?
Yep.
Need a hand?
Who's coming through?
I am.
A lighter bike's going to be fine. I might have a problem with charging. Oh, I know why. Yeah, my front wheel is very heavy.
Yeah.
So it loses traction easy.
Well, I was just thinking coming across there when the bike was bouncing back and forth like a heavy bike, you got to fight that too, right?
Yep, it beats me up, that's for damn sure.
Oh, I just stalled out. Kind of wish I had those mirrors that fold in.
Yep. These ones too, but
yeah,
the ball sockets, like the balls that fit in the socket, they've deformed and they're all soft.
Right.
So I don't try to move them too much because I think I'll probably destroy them. I'm starting to learn that the descents often... Oh, there's an E-trail sign. The descents often lead to a water crossing. This is...
Whoa.
That's a bit rough there.
I'm finding my first gear too low, but second gear too tall.
Yeah, I'm still take a break here.
Okay. You all right there, Ernie? Your kickstand okay?
It's too high right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's definitely, I think it's still green here.
Really, eh?
Yeah. It turns blue later.
What do we get into? Well, let's play by ear. If it looks really, if that blue looks like worse than this,
It's a bit much.
it might be a bit much.
Okay. Rested? As rested as we will be. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. We just missed it. That's we got to go back there.
That's the blue one?
Probably. Let's just stop here and have a look. Okay, so we're turning back to where? Mountain Road?
We just turn around and head south on Mountain Road. And that'll take us to the 509. But then we have to come across the 509 again, and then we could try taking that Hydroline Road, which is green.
Yes.
In fact, all the things I'm seeing in there look green.
Where is that turn? I want to see it. Right here? Ah.
Yeah, you can't tell from what you see.
No, it usually gets worse right in the middle.
Yeah.
We might be wise to stop at Plevna after all for lunch. It's 1:15.
Well, this mountain lake brings us right out to Plevna, so it's up to you.
Yeah. I think it's a no-brainer. I mean,
that'll give us a chance to regroup our maps and figure out what we're doing.
Yes. All right. Recognize this place, guys?
We're back.
Round 2. We'll just stop in front of this fence here.
Not as busy.
I need help with mine.
Oh, he gave us a flash.
No, he was just saying hi.
Police up here.
No, I think he gave you a thumbs up.
No, he was tapping on the top of his cab like you would on your helmet.
Yeah, he flashed and then hit the top of his truck like.
Okay.
Yeah.
How far away is Moss Lake Road? Here's a car on the road, off the road here. People.
Oh, that's what he was signaling.
Yeah, maybe.
Ooh.
Holy. What the hell's with that?
Yeah, they hit the guardrail.
Yeah.
Yeah, they destroyed most of it. Ernie, this is going to be tough, but you want to turn right here. Come on, buddy. Bit of a hill here, guys. Woo! Actually, I think I recognize this.
Then a mirror up on that tree.
Yeah, I know. Probably for cars, right? That are take the full width of this road.
Yeah, it's
Ooh, loose on that hill.
Huh. I wonder if this road got the name Hydroline because it follows hydrolines.
Log Cabin Lane? I wonder what's at the end of that.
Whoa!
Lucy.
This is a cool little hydroline section. I like it.
Yeah.
When you think about like the hydroline section that we did between Cloyne and where did it come out, Gilmore or whatever it was.
Yeah, with all the water crossings.
Yeah, like that's completely different.
Yeah, I don't know. This probably isn't very wet the winter or the spring. Like it doesn't look like there's a lot of low spots.
It's sandier too.
Ooh, it's getting sandy here. It's not too bad, actually. Oh, now it's sandy. Huh. I think I know the track I'm taking. The easy one. Whoa!
A little soft there, eh, Ernie?
Yeah, stay out of the middle.
Yeah, I did. After I saw you, I stayed out of the middle.
Ooh, this is curious. First gear.
Should have went right down the left.
Yeah. I'd be fine either side, really. Started out on the right, and then I went left. Crossed in the middle.
Ooh, nasty bit of business here.
Every once in a while,
Holy!
Oh,
What?
you could do that.
I did it when I first looked at it. I said, there was no clear line.
Oh.
It was like there was nothing like this is the way, Duncan. It was barrier after barrier.
Most of those rocks you can just ride over.
I did. I ended up riding over a lot of them, but honestly, this bike is so heavy. If I can avoid those jarring bumps, especially if you end up hitting them a little off center.
Yeah.
And it sends your bike the wrong way.
That's where you need like you're standing and using your body language.
Yeah, and letting the bike roll between you, your legs.
Yeah, you got to come back and do this on the 300, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
I got 5K to Arkle Road.
Okay.
So this is this almost reminds me of the quote-unquote hard section of Arkle Road.
Yeah. But, I mean, it's really short duration. That hard section of Arkle is probably 200 meters, maybe a bit more.
Yeah.
Here comes a dirt biker. He's actually the guy we saw a minute ago. I'm going to let him by.
He's waiting for us.
Is he going or not?
That's a CRF.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going.
All right.
That'll be Duncan in a couple of weeks.
Not on my own, I don't think.
Ooh. Yikers.
Yeah. Stay loose, boys.
Oh, leg cramp.
Oh, no.
Well, stop if you want.
Yeah, let's stop in the shade here.
I'm okay. I stood up for a minute, but...
All right. Well, I don't like the sand, so I'm not going to stop here after all.
Okay.
See the camera's rolling?
Yeah, I'm not going to stop long. I just, I'm getting a leg cramp, too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, my boot came undone. we go.
I got a Caterpillar. Although I'd like to use it more, obviously. That was the whole point. Fuck, man. Get
Is he in
the
between?
fuck off.
You got underneath or something?
Well, yeah, I'm just having a hard time picking him off because I don't want to kill him either. Live and let live, right, Ernie?
Okay.
All right, ready?
Okay.
North Frontenac Parklands.
This suddenly got quite wide.
Yeah, it looks like camping or something maybe in here.
Yeah. Not much different than Arco Road, right?
Yeah. Go over to
Trailer
the
in, like, that's a tiny lake, though.
It doesn't say
I
what
think.
the name of it is.
Look at that little mud. There you go, Ernie. Where you go, buddy?
He did it.
Yeah?
He went through it.
I'll wait for the video proof.
Arco Road coming up.
All right, hanging a right.
Hanging a right.
Should I signal?
Yes, just in case Jess didn't get the memo. You know what? I've never done Arco Road backwards. Like, disproportionately.
Only on the sled for me, I think.
What the hell's going on?
Sightseers.
Anyway.